Hello, today's review is about the KT6033 catalytic converter for the vehicles with diesel engines such as the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter and others. You are on the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel, and now we will begin our review. The catalytic converter is manufactured at the Tenneco Automotive facility and installed on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2.2T 313 CDI and other vehicles. The KT6043 catalytic converter body consists of heat-resistant steel containing chromium, a ceramic monolith weighing 650 grams, and a particulate filter weighing 2 kilograms 250 grams, which are coated with platinum group metals. The total weight of the ceramic and particulate filter is 2 kilograms 900 grams. Between the still body and the monoliths, there is a gasket made of heat-resistant wool. It is located in the lower part of the vehicle. A lambda probe is installed at the inlet to the catalytic converter. In addition, an exhaust gas temperature sensor is fitted between the catalytic converter and the particulate filter. Moreover, the body is fitted with drain tubes going to the sensor to measure the pressure drop in the particulate filter. Eventually, any part of the vehicle will break down. For the catalytic converter, the average service life is 120,000 kilometers. Then there are two options: simply discard the used part, or dispose of the catalytic converter at a specialized company for a favorable price. Such companies determine the current price and buy back used catalytic converters. They have a serial number on the body to help identify the characteristics of the catalytic converter and expedite the sale process. Alternatively, they can quote the price using the barcode directly on the particulate filter. If the number is damaged or lost, a spectral analysis is performed to determine the number of precious metals on the monolith. Several factors affect the cost of your used analytic converter. The first, the number of valuable metals, platinum, palladium, and rhodium in the used monolith. The second, the cost of these metals on the London Stock Exchange. The third, technical characteristics, condition of the catalytic converter, age, damage, vehicle fuel, year of manufacture. The average price of a used KT6043 catalytic converter is between $400 and $470. You can find out the current price of this catalytic converter at autocatalystmarket.com in the description below this video. There you can also find a company that will buy it back from you at an agreed price. Autocatalystmarket.com has the largest catalytic converter database in the world. We help you find out current prices, sell your used catalytic converters, and run your recycling business. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and subscribe to the Auto Catalyst Market YouTube channel. Bye!